guys, welcome back to our sixth episode of Tea Time with me. This is Ghazal, and today I am going to share about the best indoor plants which looks beautiful, aesthetic, purify the air of your home, and are easy to maintain. So keep watching.
Everybody's trying to steal my lady. Sputters in the mirror.
So, if you're following me on Instagram since a long time, you know it that I'm obsessed with plants. I grew up in a place which was surrounded by greenery, and after moving to Qatar, that was the only thing I was missing so badly that I decided to keep a lot of plants in my house. Plants makes me happy, and if you would enter in my house, you would see plants everywhere.
Those eyes, the best part of my life.
And I know many of you like this vlog because you like to see plants in the background of my Insta stories, videos, and Instagram posts. And I've been receiving a lot of requests to do a post about how to take care of the plants and which are the best indoor plants. So if you are a beginner, I have shortlisted some of the plants for you and how to take care of them and which are the best and easy to maintain indoor plants. Just know that in this episode I am sharing the basic tips and easy to maintain plants. In the second part of this episode, we'll talk about them in details. So let's start.
Keep your belly happy if you pay.
Golden pothos. This plant should get the easiest house plant to maintain award. It is a great low maintenance plant for beginners. Pothos are known for their ease of care and durability. They are happy placed in a bright well lit area, however, they can tolerate lower light too. They are living air purifier, removing common household toxins from the air, making it a healthy and beautiful addition to your space. Pothos is the perfect plant for the people who are too busy for houseplants. I water them once a week and they never complain.
Cause when we make love, babe.
The next is peace lily. Peace lily is one of the most common house plant because this is one of the most beautiful, reliable and easiest to grow indoor plant. It's a fairly cheap plant to buy and it can be found in almost every shop that sells house plant. In fact, this is the most popular plant in the list of the top 5 plants. And finally, it has gotten the recognition it deserves from general public after NASA put it on its list of top 10 household air cleaning plants. Peace lily can grow well in indirect sunlight, but if you choose to grow it in a darker area in your home, as the most common stereotype states, it will survive, adapt and grow slowly. But do avoid direct sunlight. Peace lily can withstand a lot of difficult conditions, and that's one of the reasons why this is one of my favorite plants. The next is Monstera deliciosa. It is a real statement piece and very famous house plant that will look amazing in a decorative pot as a focal point in your home. This plant is perfect for beginning plant owners because not only does it increase the beauty of your room but also because this one is the lowest maintenance plant and you can regrow this plant easily. I'll cover in another episode on how to regrow it, but monsteras can grow and become very large, so you may need to stake it to support as it grows. So get this beauty as I would rate it 5 out of 5.
Sputters in the mirror and things can be right.
The next is Schefflera plant, also known as the umbrella plant, and it is a wonderful plant to keep indoors. Scheffleras are easy to care for, fast growing, and it purifies the air of your home. Umbrella plants are a great choice for beginner plant parents. They are incredibly low maintenance as they can handle being in low light, and forgetting to water them every once in a while is okay too. Just be aware that your plant will most likely grow slower and could get very leggy if it doesn't get enough light. It is very easy for you to take care of Schefflera plant, and in addition it will help you out by cleaning the air for you. They are normally undemanding and providing. As the bare minimum, you should water them at least a few times each month so you can have a beautiful looking plant to brighten up and give structure to your dull corner. If there was ever a plant which is perfect for the people who are terrible with plants, it's the sweetheart or heartleaf philodendrons. I sometimes imagine my heart to be shaped like a large glossy leaf of philodendrons. Philodendrons are generally forgiving and will tolerate all kinds of neglect, including low light, poor soil, and inconsistent watering. Not only are they easy to keep healthy, seriously, they are harder to kill than to keep alive. Philodendrons may be grown in soil or just in water. Plants that live in soil should be watered when half of the soil is dry. This is one of my favorite plants because it looks so beautiful and aesthetic.
Smile when we make love, babe.
So that's all for today. Don't forget to share this post with the people who might find it interesting. Let your loved ones know about this blog because we are bringing many more informative and interesting content on this blog. Do share your thoughts in the comment box below because I love reading them and it feels like I have an amazing Insta family. See you soon and have a lovely day.
It's bright